Here's I'll show you how to get Microsoft Copilot on your Samsung Galaxy A16 device. Go to your Play Store and search for Copilot. And here you'll find the official Microsoft Copilot app. Just go ahead and install it. Once it's installed, now go ahead and open Microsoft Copilot app on your phone. And now it's time to set up. Tap on Next. And here, type your name. And select your voice.
As a companion, I learn about you and help unpack your thoughts.
And allow Copilot to access the device location. I'm selecting here while using the app. And now tap on your profile photo. And here, if you have an account, then just tap on sign in to log into your account. And now let's use Copilot. So tapping on message Copilot and let's chat with Copilot. You can also use Copilot with your voice by tapping on this little microphone icon. To do that, you have to log in to your account. That's how you can do it. Thanks for watching.